so we're going to order.
So guys, here is too many street food. You can see whole street in the evening busy in Nadiad, and Bimbo is talking. He's the owner of this shop. So Bimbo is here to order some street food today.
Hello guys, today is about street food here in India. I just find out this beautiful Taste Ride non-veg food truck.
And first time in Nadiad.
First time in Nadiad. So they just new here and it get my attention. So the guy beside me is, I think you're the owner, yeah?
Yeah, I'm owner.
What is your name, sir?
Richard.
Richard. Oh, that's why it's Richie. Okay, so Shama, what we're going to order?
Let's see. Here is the menu.
Yes,
But
the
it
menu.
is written in Gujarati.
Gujarati.
All Gujarati. So
I like fish.
fish.
And do you have mutton biryani?
Yeah, mutton biryani.
Okay, I like those too. And how about you?
I will order chicken tikka.
Chicken
yeah.
tikka.
Chicken tikka. I like chicken.
Okay. So guys, we will show you how they are preparing, how they are cooking, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
So here you guys, we order mutton biryani and chef is cooking. Oh, very nice aroma. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
So he's cooking now mutton biryani.
Yes.
This is
Oh my god, it's like firework.
and what he put that?
Ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic.
Oh my god, I'm afraid.
And we ordered as well fish.
Fish, fried
What
fish.
kind of fish is this?
આ કઈ fish છે? સુરમઈ. We call સુરમઈ.
Surmai.
સુરમઈ.
Red surmai.
Red સુરમઈ.
Red surmai.
Yes. And aroma is very good. He add the mutton now. So here guys, our mutton biryani is getting ready.
What the name of the chef?
Dhanraj.
Dhanraj.
And aroma is really good. Look how beautiful cabinet they have.
Yeah.
You can see.
This is like come and go.
Yes.
They started
as well.
here 6 o'clock
And they serve from here the food.
and they will finish 11 o'clock. So mutton biryani is cooking now.
It turned to red masala.
It's nice. Very beautiful food court.
Yes.
And outside, some people are eating that area. Yeah?
Yes. If some people want, they can eat there.
Alright.
They can eat there. He is adding now rice.
This is basmati rice. Yeah?
Yes. Boil and ready.
Look guys. And how about this fish? So what he put now?
This is chili sauce, I think.
Chili sauce, yeah? Don't make too much spice, yeah?
एकदम माइल्ड रख दो फटाफट छूटे से
This is not easy job. It's quite hot here inside.
Yes.
We got small kitchen here. And those are the masalas, yeah? Masalas. and
Masalas.
spices. Look guys. So mutton biryani is cooking now.
Salt. It looks yummy.
Yeah. It's a very difficult job.
Very difficult. Especially this summer when it go
Yeah, so it's
very hot. Now he's packing our mutton biryani.
cooked now, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, looks delicious. This is our dinner, yeah?
This is what we are going to eat.
And this one is the fish. Red, what is this? Red.
Red
Paplet.
paplet પણ છે?
Red public.
Red paplet. This is red paplet. Sorry, not surmai.
Red paplet.
Very nice.
Okay, I think we need. So guys, look, Our fish is cooked now. So how many we ordered?
3 fish.
3 fishes. Okay. That's it. Thank you, sir. Why too many?
It's alright.
Alright, yeah. Yan guys, oh, luto ng ating fish. It's very delicious and chat masala. Okay, chef. Thank you very much. Okay. So guys, we ordered chicken tikka and they are cooking now. So this is one of my favorite. Like chicken barbecue, yeah? Mm. This is the way how they cook chicken tikka here. It's like it's different to chicken barbecue the way we cook, yeah?
Yes, it is
Ah.
straight on the fire.
Ah, this is the way they cook chicken tikka. All right. Look guys, oh. Ganito pala magluto ng chicken tikka. So how long? How many minutes they will cook this?
I don't know.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? All right.
Because it is straight on the fire. So
Mm.
it cook very fast.
So guys, if you want to order, if you want to try Richie Taste Ride non-veg food truck, it's just beside of this Methodist Church. Yeah, Elim Methodist Church, and this is Mission Road. Yeah, Mission Road. To all Nadjadi, if you want to try Richie Taste Ride non-veg food truck, so just come here. Mission Roads and opposite of this huge building. This is residential area, yeah? Residential area. It's getting busy now because it's almost 7 o'clock na, yeah? 7 o'clock. Look how beautiful is this food truck. Oh, I like the idea. We got 2 staff and the owner, so 3 of them running this food truck. This is very busy road, Mission Road, and look, too many people live here. So this is a good place for business.
So guys, here we ordered 3 items. Mutton biryani is 200 rupees, chicken tikka 80 rupees, and fish fry 2 piece 80 rupees. In total 360. 360, and we are taking home. So guys, if you want lovely food, all Nadiad people, you can come straight away here. This is the first food cart non-veg in Nadiad. So see you at home. We will take review. Hello, Kaina guys.
Hello, guys!
We are at home, and I want to just see you the quality. This is mutton biryani. This is chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka.
And this is fish. Among these food, I give some to mom because it is too much for us.
Okay guys, let's start the review of this Richard non-veg food truck cart. Yeah. So I want to taste first this fish because you know in Batangas I like fish, so I want to compare this to tambakol. Look guys, oh. And you know tambakol here in Philippines, yeah? Normally we fry them with salt and pepper. That's it. But here guys, that's why it's very delicious. They marinate it to ginger
Garlic
Paste
and they
and
will put masala.
masala.
They marinate for
I think that is the secret because siya eat tambakol in Batangas, and if I fry just salt and pepper. Okay? Let me try this, but there is no sauce, yeah? There's no sauce. Okay. Let me try this. Meat is white as well, yeah? Nina, you try this?
That is fish.
It's good.
Really?
Very good.
So guys, let's try this fish. How you call this? Red
Paplet.
Topler.
This is good as well. Not too spicy.
I like spicy. Guys, it has similarity with our tambakul. Tuna, yeah? It's not too, what's this? Bone, no bones, yeah? All meat. So for 40 rupees is very cheap because not too many, so many bones. Nene, you like? Nene's favorite is fish, yeah? And then, okay guys, how many stars I'm giving to this fried fish?
Spicy?
4 stars. How about Chama? How many stars do you think? We don't normally cook this fish, yeah? I don't know that we have fish like here in Nadia. How many stars?
Usually, guy, when we buy food from outside, it is very, very spicy. And that's why I don't prefer street food personally. I prefer to cook at home. But this one, I request, yeah? And he make cook very mild. So this is tasty, I can say.
So how many stars this fish for you?
3.5 star.
3.5 stars. Yeah, 5 is the highest. Yeah. For me, because my favorite is fish, 4 stars.
4 star.
And how about now we have to start this chicken tikka. Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka.
And what do you call chicken tikka?
Chicken tikka. Can I have Shama with this? What's this? I like with.
You like fish?
This is the sauce, Shama?
Mama,
They
do
put
it
sauce?
No, that is onion.
Onion.
I want spoon to eat in my rice.
So now, let's start this chicken tikka. I like with some onion.
Fish?
No.
No?
Let's try without onion.
Fish is really nice. Fish.
Chicken tikka.
And this is not really spicy.
Chicken tikka is nice, yeah. But they're always bad, yeah. They're always bad.
Okay.
They're always bad. I prepared what we what we cook, chicken barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah,
At
yeah,
home.
at home. Yeah, sorry guys, but I prepared what we cook this barbecue. This is nice as well, but I don't know. Maybe it's not enough spicy. Let's try with onion. Chicken tikka with onion. How about you, Nina?
You want plain rice, little bit
How
Shania?
about you, Nina? Nina, do you like this chicken tikka?
For her, it is little bit spicy.
Mm.
So I will add plain rice to you, Shania.
Okay.
Or you can have watermelon.
How
Shania.
about, let me try this. This is for
Salad.
chicken, mutton biryani. This salad. So how about Shama? Chicken tikka? Do you like chicken tikka?
No, I also prefer what we cook at home.
This is Filipino style, yeah?
Yeah.
This is Filipino style, our
For
barbecue.
me, it is not that much well cooked.
Yeah, I think so. That is the problem. It's not that well cooked, this chicken tikka. For me, just 3 star, this chicken tikka. How about Nina? How many star this chicken tikka?
Chicken tikka. 3.
3 star?
Chicken tikka.
Tikka?
How many stars for you?
I don't know.
Taste it. So and then give me a star. How many? Sorry guys, Nini will start. No, there's no bone.
This is chicken only, beta.
But look here.
Wait, so give her again.
Nina, here's your chicken tikka. You eat that? You like? Nini like it. So how many stars, Nina?
I don't know yet.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many?
5.
5 stars! Oh, for Nina's chick because Nina's favorite is chicken. Alright, so Nina is 5 star. And now guys, let's tikman na natin tong famous biryani, Indian famous biryani, but this one is mutton. Mutton guys is buffalo meat. Here is famous in India, buffalo
Very
meat.
spicy.
You know, in Batangas, mas famous sa amin ng, beef because we cattle, what's this? Cattle capital
in the Philippines. Nasa Padre Garcia ang, you know, this, how you call this? Padre Garcia, they are delivering too many cattle there. I don't know how you call this.
I don't know what are you talking about.
You know the live cattle, they put there and then the buyer will come. Padre Garcia, Batangas. I don't know how to say in English. And Tagalog sa amin doon, paradahan sa Padre Garcia ng mga baka. Doon ka makakabili ng mga murang bulalo. So here, you know, beef is not allowed. So we are eating meat here. Buffalo meat is famous here in India.
Nice.
So
Biryani is nice.
So let me try. Where is the lemon? Here we got lemon. And also they always put onion.
Too many onions.
So our dinner for tonight is quite post, Chama, yeah? Quite post our dinner, 3 dishes. Fish, chicken tikka, and mutton biryani.
Yes.
So guys, tikman natin tong mutton biryani. Oh, sorry. Let me taste this.
I will turn it on. You want this watermelon?
Mom cook as well mutton biryani, yeah? Chicken biryani.
But this
I will tell you later, guys. Let me eat this more.
full. Oh, Shana is full already.
Nina, Deep, are you full? Okay, Nina is full now. So, eat watermelon then, Nina. Give mom watermelon,
I
Nina.
will get 4. Shana, can you get 4, please?
Yeah, Nina, get pork. So, guys, let's go back to this mutton biryani. So, guys, regarding about this mutton biryani of Richard, it's like the way mom cooking biryani. It's very delicious. I like it. Honestly, I like it. This biryani.
Biryani is good.
Biryani is good.
And not spicy. This is the main thing.
I like spice as well. I don't mind spicy.
But I don't prefer too much spice. It create me dizziness. So
For me, Richard, mutton biryani is 5-star. Very delicious mutton biryani.
very nice.
My God. But diet.
Fish as well very good. Biryani as well very good.
Very good.
But this tikka little bit I prefer
Yeah,
our style.
I preferred our chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue.
So, if you want a delicious mutton biryani and this fish, go to Richard food truck car. Mission Roads opposite of, besides of this Elim Church.
So guys, quality wise, this food is nice, and also quantity as well. Very
Yeah, for the price, quality,
Price as well.
quantity.
good. Price as well, I think so good.
Yeah, good.
Not too expensive.
It's not expensive because the amount and but the quality mutton biryani and fish is
Very good
very good. Yeah. Only
as compared to this barbecue. Quality of fish they give. So guys, it is our review about street food in India. You can leave your comments underneath.
Yeah, please leave your comment.
What kind of street food in your country they are selling, and you can see here, so we can make comparison from wherever you are watching. Just leave comments and we will just read your comments. We will be happy.
It's totally different street food in Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this time I want to appeal to all my Indian friends, family, all my brother in India and sisters. Please keep support Bimbo Corneo Vlogs, because my husband is Filipino and he come here, he's showing our country,
Promoting India.
promoting India, tourism and everything. So guys, we are getting support from his side. I'm expecting from my side as well. I
But
am
we have too many Indian
many.
viewers now. But,
Yes, that's
but
why-
compared to Filipino viewers, Filipino
as
viewers.
compared to Filipino viewers. So guys, India is large. So I am expecting. So please support and make our country name famous.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for your support. Bimbo Cornejo Vlog, to all my Indian family here, all my Indian friends. But I'm asking, I'm requesting more to all fellow Indians. Please support Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs, and to all Filipino who's supporting and watching our vlogs. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank
Okay, guys, we will just finish our dinner, and thank you very much for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, Nina!